How to buy potato token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the codes below, fund your account, and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So before going on by this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created 7 hours ago and it's increased by 416% in the last 24 hours. The liquidity here are locked by 100%. That's mean investment in safe place. This token trended number 5 in tick screener. To be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token address is under this wallet network. Open your funds wallet for that. And after that, click on swap. Make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet. Click here and press the token address. So this is our token. Click on it and here type how much you want to buy. So here we'll be able to see, as you can see, how much you'll be able to receive that token. So after that, select provider, for example, Jupiter. Make sure to read all of this information here. After that, click on swap and you will be able to redact the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. If you face an issue, go back to this page. So it's a slippage from here or customer, because the most of issues came from the slippage, and after that you can be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy potato token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.